This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Welcome to this 3-bedroom townhouse centrally located in Virginia Beach. This 2-story townhouse features 1 full bathroom upstairs and an unfinished half-bath downstairs. There's an open concept kitchen and dining area in the rear with a sliding glass door that leads to the fenced and back patio. It's conveniently located near the interstate, shopping, dining, and entertainment. Come check out this townhouse in a great location. For more information, review the details below.